friends right here. I have so much love for her. Anywhere, I don't know. Anywhere in the world I go, I see you. And I love you for that. You know I love you, right? And it's your birthday tonight. Happy birthday. Make some noise for her for me, please. Happy birthday. You are beautiful inside out. And I appreciate you and I love you very much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. I love that I cook food. You know what I mean in Jamaica? Thank you very much. You know what I mean? And she's a mother. You know what I mean? So you know my for Jam Dance, please. You know what I mean? Most importantly, make some noise for yourself, please. Yeah. See, I don't know. I did a song for my first lady, my boss, my Dan, my God in this earth. Her name is Chini. That's my mother. So that song was for her. But I went out of my genre and did a song for her, and this is how I'm gonna leave you. From I believe in the Almighty, this one's for us, you understand? Yeah. I'm gonna feel like a devil worshiper in front of me right now. So from I love the Almighty, they call him Selassie, they call him Jah, call him God, they call him Jesus. Doesn't matter what you call him. If you believe in a higher power, if you believe in a supreme being, if you believe, you just have to believe. This one's for us, you understand? Redemption, I love you. Let's go, Jam Dance.